y'all. We're making a roasted pumpkin and sweet potato soup. Let's go. Okay, so first I'm gonna put my pumpkins and my sweet potatoes roasting. And this was my favorite part when I was a kid. I'm just gonna coat these in some oil and we're gonna pop them in the oven and let it roast. Look at the size of this onion. I'm gonna use the whole thing. That's up a yellow onion. Spooky ball! And then you're gonna mince up garlic until people start asking if you're okay. And when they do ask, keep going. Your butter's nice and melty, go ahead and saute your onions for a hot minute. And while the pumpkin and potatoes cool down, I'm gonna go ahead and crisp up some prosciutto and some sage leaves. Okay, so after your onions have sauteed for a little while, you're gonna go ahead and toss in the garlic and saute for a couple more minutes. So I let these cool off just enough so I can handle them, and I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the skins and scoop out the parts that I need. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mash them up just a little bit. Ha! Okay, now back to our soup pot. We're gonna go ahead and add in broth. I'm using vegetable, but you can use chicken or whatever makes your little heart happy. Put your pumpkin and sweet potato in. Now you're gonna wanna season and bring this up to a boil. You can go ahead and season, obviously, with whatever makes your little heart happy. I'm doing just a little bit of dried thyme, some nutmeg, some ginger, some red pepper flakes, and of course, a little bit of Slappy Mama. So if you've been around for a little while, you know that I'm a soup girl, and I have a whole soup chapter in my cookbook that includes this recipe, but like, don't recommend editing a book whenever you have a newborn and like no sleep because I forgot the pumpkin. But you can just write it in, it'll buff. However, if you're more of a like scroll on your phone for a recipe kind of pal, you can also find the recipe on my website and on Pepper the app, and both of those are linked in my bio. It may be pretty darn close to 100 degrees outside, but it's officially October, y'all. So go out and be spooky, my dudes.